My room is an absolute tip. Literally every drawer I've just thrown things in. I actually can't find anything anymore, so it is time to do a deep clean. Make sure everything is organised for the new year. I hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. I went to Primark recently because I hate wearing bras. I hate wearing them. So I'm going to wear like sports bras from now on because they're so comfortable. So I got this set of 3. Look how pretty they are. Ooh. So these were £10 and then I got 2 of these sets which were £5 each. I love the colours as well, like this brown colour. They had so many different colours. I love it. I brought this jar from Amazon for my crystals because I've got so many now I don't know where to put them. But look how big it is. This is 3 litres and I was scared to get like a small one just in case it'd be too small, but this is too big. But I'm not going to send it back. I have decided I'm going to make like a what is it called, like a terrarium. I think that's what it's called, with like the plants and the soil and everything in it. It's huge. Wow. So I went and got a different one. This is still huge. This is still bigger than I thought it'd be, but I'm sure I'm gonna have enough room for all my crystals now.
I finished my room finally. It took me 2 days, but we got there in the end. I'm so satisfied. I am so like over the moon with how clean it is again. I feel myself again, so that's great. I did it just before it's turning dark as well, so that's great because the quality, I don't know if you can tell, but it goes really weird when it's dark, so I'm really thankful that this is the end of the video now. So yeah, this will be the first video in the new year, so I hope this year is really good too and you have the best year yet. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.